Hi, my name is Yamini Ji. I'm from Bangalore. I'm really happy to share that I received an opportunity with Entity Data, and I want to take a moment to sincerely thank Avision for making this possible. From the very beginning, the Avision team was very extremely supportive and professional. They guided me at every step of the hiring process, from understanding the role to interview preparation and regular follow-ups as well. What I truly appreciate was their transparency and encouragement, which gave me a lot of confidence. This opportunity means a lot to me, and I genuinely believe I wouldn't have reached this milestone without Avision's support and guidance. I'm very grateful for their efforts, commitment to helping candidates grow in their careers. Thank you, Avision, for believing in me and for connecting me with such a great opportunity at Entity Data. I would definitely recommend Avision to anyone looking for the right career opportunity. Thank you.